Hey guys, welcome back to Unique Beauty. When you receive your package, this is what you do. You need aloe vera, avocado, banana, honey, oil. Blend just like so. But before you apply that, make sure go in with your cleanser, massage on the affected area very well, just like this. What I am doing, guys, especially for people with edges, massage very well with both hands, or you could use the aloe vera peel as well. Once you've done that, and then you just apply the mixture, the protein treatment, leave it to steam for 20-30 minutes. Then you go ahead and wash the protein treatment out. Then you go ahead and shampoo. You use the cleanser as well and use the shampoo. After 2 weeks before your next wash, you can just use the shampoo on your dry hair just like so. You don't need water. Just use it like treatment, guys. This will stop the shedding, breakage, and it will grow your hair, and it makes your hair really healthy, this shampoo, because it's made out of herbs. Okay, then I use crystal soap to make this shampoo. It's really healthy for children. Adults can use it. Massage very well for allow blood flow and stimulate the scalp, so that way the blood flow can go anywhere and allow the hair to grow on your edges just like so, guys. This is how you massage it. Then you go ahead and wash it out. You can use twice the shampoo. It's all good. Once you rinse everything out, use the cream and massage the cream onto your hair. Don't forget to trim your hair as well at the end. Then you can also apply it onto your scalp, right? The cream very well and massage. Guys, this treatment will stop your hair from shedding, breakage. All it does do is just allow the hair growth. Your hair will become long as well. Okay, so once you do your protective styling, this is what you do with the cream and the oil. You apply it onto the scalp. Or if you don't want to use separate, you can always add the oil into the cream, then you dab it in and massage onto the affected area. Guys, you have to do this 3 times, 4 times per week, or every day. If you have the time, it's all good, guys. Just use it and massage, because the way you massage it, that way it's okay. Then also find a good hairdresser will make good condoms for you. Then you apply the oil or the cream if you want to use the oil. If it's good for you, okay. If you want to use both, use it before you wear your wig. This way your hair will not damage, your edges will not damage from that wig. Do your condo protective styling. So then for people with edges problem, you see this brown cleanser, you always have to use it as well. If you're using your oil and your cream, you always have to apply the cleanser onto the affected area like so. You massage. Once you finish, you can rinse it. You can just use a towel or a wet wipe it off. Then you just go ahead and apply the cream. That way it protects the hair and it allows the hair to grow fast. Within 2 weeks you see results. If you don't see result, then that means the product, it's not working for you. You have to let me know, then I will see what I can do next for you guys. I hope you understand. So please subscribe and like and share, and then let the news go around. Okay, we help with eczema as well.